Student, we will start a new topic for PL appropriation. The topic name is this sum is topic. It's known as pass adjustment. Pass adjustment. What do you mean with the pass adjustment? Just go through this problem. That PSR having a fixed capital of 4 lakh, 3 lakh 20 and 2 lakh 40 respectively. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:1. The partnership did provide of the following: interest on capital, salary and transfer to general reserve. After that the net profit is 2 lakh. But the company not recorded the following item. That means they are not provide interest on capital, salary, transfer to general reserve, nothing. So entire 2 lakhs they are transferred their capital account at the ratio of 3:1:1. So simple as that we are not charge any interest on capital, salary and the transfer to general reserve. So you have to pass a single journal entries to rectify all of this. Okay, so for that purpose we have to make a chart. Chart means there is a 3 partner PSR. So for P you have to make a 2 column for P, S and R. Sorry, PSR and the firm. Firm means this is PL appro. We can say it is a profit and loss appropriation account, and these 3 things are current account. Now see, without providing the interest on capital, salary and the transfer to general reserve, 2 lakhs without providing these 2 lakhs are shared between 3:1:1. So we reverse back. How will reverse? Now again the 2 lakhs are credited to PL appro and debited to the partner's current account in the ratio of 3:1:1. It means, see, the 2 lakhs divided by 4 into 3, that is 1 lakh. 2 lakhs divided by 5 into 3, that is 1,20,000. 2 lakhs, 1,20,000, 40 and 20. All these things are added 2 lakhs. You have to reverse back. Now we charge the salary. So what will be the salary? The salary for P and R is 3,000 and 2,000. 3,000 and 2,000. 3,000 means for the whole year is 36,000, and it is the item, the salary is the item of profit and loss account debit. So you charge debit 60,000 and credited to partner's current account or the capital account, that is 24. 2,000 per month into 12, 36,000, and the interest on capital is 5%. So 5% means the capital of the respective sum is 4 lakhs, 3 lakh 20 and 2 lakh 40. We charge these things altogether is 48,000, 12,000, 16,000, 20,000. How will calculate 20,000? The capital of P is 4 lakhs. So 5% of 4 lakh, 16,000. The capital of S is 3,20,000. 5% of that, and 12,000. The capital of R is 2,40,000. 5% of that. So altogether the total interest on capital is 48,000. Now what will be the correct net profit? The correct net profit is 2 lakhs. We are not providing the salary and the interest on capital. If you less from this, 2 lakhs minus 60,000 and 48,000. 2 lakh minus 60,000 minus 48,000. 92,000. And the transfer to general reserve is 20,000. So if you transfer to general reserve is 20,000, you have to write over here 20,000, and the correct net profit is 72,000. So that 72,000 will share between 3:1:1. Here the 2,20,000 is transferred to general reserve and the rest 60,000 as salary and 48,000 the correct net profit or correct distributable profit we have shared between this. So now we are total debit and credit side of the current account or the capital account. Total debit is 1,20,000 and this is 99,200. Now see, the debit means it's past, it's already received, and this is future. Now in case of P has to be received 99,200, but already he received 20,000, so he will get 28,000 more. Again for S has to be received 30,400, but he already received 40,600, so 96,000 he received more. He is also more. And the R is see the 40,000, but he has to receive 10,400, so R is getting 10,400 less. 10,400 less. So what will be the rectifying journal entries for that? Now see, difference between this 20,800, P is getting more, so whenever he getting more, the P will be debited. So the rectifying entry will be P is current account debit. How much he getting more? Get more 20,000, 10,000, 800, and S also more 9,600. So S current account also 9,000 debited, 9,600. Now 10,400 is received less by the R's, so R will be credited. R's current account will be 10,400, and general reserve have to be transferred over here. GR is 20,000. Now see, this journal entries match. This 20,800 plus 9,600, 30,400. Here is also 30,400. So in particular questions they are asking pass a necessary journal entries. Since this journal entries, pass the rectified journal entries for the above adjustment in the books of the firm. Also show the workings. So always workings you have to show like that. If there is a two partner, so you have to make two current account or the capital account, but the firms and two. Check this video properly. I'll give you the homework. Thank you so much.